Hey y'all, so I'm back today to share with you my insider exclusive. So you're like, what in the world is an insider exclusive? So you can get your hands on these exclusive products if you host a party with 31 and hopefully with me if you don't have a consultant. So the only way you can get your hands on these items is by hosting. So they are exclusive only for our insiders, which makes them even more special. Plus, you get them at a great discount or even for free. So you have to host a qualifying party to earn these. A qualifying party is at least $200 in orders, which is an average of 4 to 5 orders on your party link. Now, we don't strive for minimums at my party. We go all the way up. We want to have at least a $500 party. I mean, baseline $500 party, because you get to double your insider rewards at that $500 level. And then at that $1,000 level, you get to double again. And your hostess, your insider exclusives, you get 2 of them for free. Now, at a $200 party, you earn $20 in free credits, a half price item, and 1 discounted insider exclusive. At that $500 party mark, that's where we want to get to at least get to that level. You earn $100 in free credits, 2 half price items, 2 discounted insider exclusives, and you also earn the monthly hostess special. And then at that $1,000 level, you earn $200 in free, 2 half price items, and 2 of the insider exclusives for free. Now, all of our insider exclusives that you earn get free personalization, so you can do whatever you want on them, and it's free, right? So that's so fun. So I hope that you consider hosting with me. I do in-person parties if I can. And I also do online parties. I do online bingo parties, and they are so fun. My hostesses and my insiders and my customers, my guests, they all love my bingos. Are a lot of fun. Okay, so I'm going to show you what they are. Okay, what they are in person. So I'm saving these for last because they're my favorites. Okay, so the first one is our inspired large utility tote. This is in the vintage slate print. It also comes, so this is like a canvas, a real heavy, thick canvas. It also comes in the vintage olive, which is so pretty. It is so hard when you're making decisions like, what print should I get? So I got the slate to match my window shopper. But I love this. So this is also a new personalization as well. This says little moments, big memories. And I did it in the caramel thread color to match the caramel straps here. You also have a little D-ring right here. If you want to hook on one of our clip and zip pouches, you could hook that on just like that. You could even, this is that vintage olive print. So you could get this in this print. And so you could even hook on your clip-on wallet right there. Now, this is just like our all day, everyday large utility tote, except it's a really thick, heavy duty canvas here. So these are just, you can never have too many large utility totes. So I love that our insiders can get their hands on this upgraded version of that. Okay, the next one I'm gonna share with you guys, this is called the Cart and Go Thermal. Now this thing is awesome. It's huge. I love it. I've been sharing it every single one of my parties, and all of my guests are like, I want that. I want to host. I want that. They're trying to get their hands on this. It's so awesome. Okay, so you can see, you can see it's in that charcoal print. It also comes in that buffalo plaid print. I kind of have a thing for charcoal. Can you tell? I don't know why. I'm like, why should I veer off and get a different print? But I always end up going back to charcoal. But we do have lots of fun prints. But I like the charcoal because personalization really pops on this charcoal print. You can do anything that you want. Any color looks great on here. Now this is the new shadow personalization right here. I did it in black and platinum. You've got a big zipper pocket here on the front, and as you can see right here, these flaps move back and forth just like this. So when you're using it, you can open flip them over, and then there's 2, this is like a double-sided section here. So you can unzip this. Both of these are thermal lined. So I have stuffing in here. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Pull out my stuffing here. Here we go. So you guys can see on the inside, you've got a nice big area right here. Now this has our leak lock lining, which means you can put ice directly in here and it won't leak out. So just for size comparison, like 2 gallons of milk can fit in here. So 2 on this side, 2 on this side. I mean, it holds a lot. So this is great if you do Aldi runs, if you have an Aldi near you, a Costco, a Sam's. It's also great for tailgating, for holidays. This thing is awesome. The same is on this side. So this is called the Cart and Go Thermal. You can get your hands on this by hosting. Okay, moving right along, we'll move on to our multi-pouch zip case. So I did the compass personalization here in black and platinum as well. Can you tell there's a theme? So it's got a nice little handle right here, and this has a zipper closure all the way around the edge. Okay, so when you unzip it, you open it up and you've got little, oops, open it all the way. You've got little pouches here. So it's pouches that come on the inside. So you've got a bigger one here. So this is great for like travel size things, like travel size toothpaste, some of your smaller lip glosses, hair ties can fit in here. And then here is that little smaller pouch as well. So this is called the multi-zip pouch case, or multi-pouch zip case. I'm saying that backwards. So you can definitely get your hands on that when you host. Now, these are my favorites. I love these. I saved the best for last. So the Cart and Go Thermal that I just showed is probably my number 3. The luggage, the Wheels to Wonder luggage duffel is my number 2, and this is my number 1. But since it's on top, I'll show you guys this one first. Now I have a whole separate video on this, and I'll link it above. You'll see that, so all you have to do is just tap that, and you can see. This is called the Ultimate Organizing Tote. You guys, this is awesome. I love it. You've got a place for your cell phone back here. You've got a zipper pouch, or a zipper right here. And so you can put this over your luggage handle. And so this can be a carry-on bag. So you normally have a carry-on bag and a personal item. This can be your personal item, and then the duffel can be your carry, or your personal, and then your carry-on. Yeah. And then the front has a big place to personalize here. So I have mine, of course, in black and platinum. All right, so what's great about this is you've got 3 zippers. Can you guys see? There's 1 zipper here, 1 in the middle, and there's even 1 zipper right down here. So this has lots of room. You've got a thermal pouch right here. On the other side, the other zipper here, you've got a padded section for your laptop. I don't travel without my laptop. I always have it with me. And then this middle section is a nice big open area here. And you guys can see that I have my fold-in file on the inside. Like, it's huge. It doesn't come with the fold-in file, but I just wanted to show you guys how big the inside of this is. So whether you wanted to put your travel items in here, like your makeup bags, or I mean, you could really put a change of clothes in here, put your makeup bag, put your laptop in here, some snacks, and you kind of got everything you need in this one big bag. Your purse could probably even fit in here, okay? All right, so then the last item that is one of our insider exclusives, this fall winter catalog. This is called the Wheels to Wonder duffel. Now I have some clothes in here, so it's really heavy. So you see the wheels there, just like that. So this has our telescopic handle, just like this. So you can open that. And this, of course, can be your rolling bag, all right? You've got a handle right here, just like this, okay? It will come with a luggage tag, so you get to personalize the luggage tag, the matching luggage tag. And there's even a zipper, if you guys can see that right here. So if you wanted to put like your keys in there, your chapstick, really whatever you wanted, you might need with you, but you don't need it all the time. You can slide it in that little pocket there. Now, you can unsnap here, and I'll show you what it looks like. And I do love a duffel or a luggage bag that has 2 zippers. I'm just really funny. I like backpacks with 2 zippers. It's really weird, but anyways, I like that. Okay, so on the inside, you guys can see over here, there is, if you guys probably can't see, this is like a little mesh pocket here, so you can store maybe some of your undergarments here. This is just like that. You guys see that? And then on the inside, I have our hanging traveler case, just to show you what it looks like on the inside. And I have lots of my husband's clothes. So I have probably, I don't know, 6 t-shirts, and I probably have several pairs of his jeans in here. Actually, that's a pair of overalls. So that kind of counts as like 2 pairs of jeans, right? So I've got like 5 pairs of jeans in there, but a nice big open area. So this is a great, just a carry-on size bag. It's not huge. I will tell you, it's not like enormous, but it is a great carry-on size. And it's TSA approved. So you can use this, of course, as your carry-on bag. So I hope that you will consider hosting with me this fall winter catalog. There's no better way to get 31 than getting it for free or for discounted, right? I mean, when we're shopping, we want the best discount possible. So why not consider hosting? Because you can share your shopping link with your friends and your family, and then you earn from it. You earn the free credits, the half price items, and those insider exclusives that only our insiders can get their hands on. So why not be rewarded for sharing these wonderful products? Just share your link. If you decide to do a online party with me, then we can help boost your party totals even more. So that's what I love about partying, is that it's a great way to share. It's a great way for me to be able to share, and I basically do all the work for you. So I hope you'll consider hosting with me this fall, winter, so you can grab your hands, get your hands on these awesome products. So I'm going to link below my VIP customer group on Facebook. So if you don't have a consultant, then click the link and you can request to join my VIP group. I'll ask you 2 questions. Make sure you answer the 2 questions. And I'm going to send you a reply message. So check your Facebook messages. Go to your message request folder or your spam folder. That way you don't miss that message from me. And hopefully we'll get you added to my VIP group. Now, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss any of my product videos. And maybe you're interested in making a little extra money, right? You love this stuff so much, you're like, why, I could do what she's doing. Let's chat. I'd love to chat with you about the 31 opportunity and what it can do for you and your family. All right, y'all have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.